Okay, the DJI Wireless mic, which is what I'm using right now with a lav mic to record with the DJI Pocket 3, works with the iPhone, and in this video I'm going to show you how. So this is the audio you're listening to from the DJI Wireless Mic 2 with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Connects wirelessly perfectly via Bluetooth, and this is the audio. What does it sound like? Let me know in the comments down below. You have to go into the Bluetooth settings, you press the link button on the microphone and it shows up as an audio source. Unfortunately, you can't actually use it with the native camera app on the iPhone yet, because for some reason Apple don't let you select an audio source. You'd think with a pro filming device like this you'd be able to have some pro features like that, but you can't. You have to use like a third-party app, something like Blackmagic like I'm using now, or there's other apps out there like Pro Video or the Moment app, all let you select which sort of lens you're using and which sort of audio source you want to use as well. So that's the only caveat, but it does work, and this is what it sounds like. Let me turn the camera around, see how far the audio goes as well. See how far I can walk away from the camera, like so. Still talking, actually facing away from the camera as well. We're going to walk up the hill. Can you still hear me? Can you still see me? Let's walk in the camera. Keep going, walking and talking. And I'll be very impressed if this is still picking up the audio. I'm walking away. I am, coming up to 50 meters away from the camera now. So the fact that this little microphone works with a lot of devices is amazing, and just having this microphone alone is fantastic because I can just connect it now to my iPhone and use it as a Bluetooth microphone. It's not as good as if you were connecting it to the Pocket 3, the audio, because you're actually using the receiver that's built into the Pocket 3, so the audio isn't quite as good. You can always use the internal recording of this. It's got 32-bit internal recording, so you can record it in this device and then sync the audio and video up in post-production. There's always that option if you want really crispy 32-bit float audio. But the fact that it connects via Bluetooth to other devices, I've got it working with my computer, it works with the Mac perfectly, works with the iPhone perfectly, although you have to use an external application, you can't use a built-in one. It also works with the Insta360 X3 connected via the AirPods connection, so you can actually use this camera with AirPods, and that's Bluetooth connected audio, and this uses the same sort of technology, so it does work with the X3 as well. The one thing it doesn't work with is the GoPro. Now, for some reason, the GoPro actually introduced the feature that you can actually use Bluetooth microphones with it, but it just doesn't connect to this one. For some unknown reason, that's probably another GoPro issue that we're fighting against, because I'm GoPro in my bad books at the moment, I've got to admit. Okay. So that's it for this video. Great microphone. It does work with the iPhone. If you're trying to find out that information, it works very well. And I think the audio sounds pretty good. So, okay, that's it for this one. Stay tuned. We've got lots of new stuff coming soon. I am slammed. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.